Hey everyone, this is Dr. Tim with high plank with shoulder taps. So we're going to start in the high plank position as we've gone through before. The only difference is you're probably going to want a wider base with your feet. The goal of this exercise is to just tap your hand to your opposite shoulder while maintaining the plank position. So what we don't want to see is you dumping out to your side as you go to tap your shoulder. You can use an object like a foam roller. Yoga blocks work really well, as well as like a soup can if you got nothing at home. Put it on kind of the small of your back. Get into the high plank position. And now as you do the exercise, you'll know if you're kind of swaying or dumping out side to side. Because as you do, the object will fall.